Hello and welcome to Buchan Junction. Can you see the little red light flashing there every now and again? That's the track cleaner working. Yeah, with the track cleaners, I was trying to say, this light is actually in the front of the Gauge Master cleaner, but they should have put it on the rear side so you could just have the light showing, but no, they put it on the same side as all the cables. And in the with the what is it, the high frequency 2, this is for 2 rails. I've plucked the bulbs out and just extended the wire so I could have them here. Here's the next 2. They're not there yet. There they are, up there. Where are they? Yeah, there they are. But I wanted to see these lights in operation, and we can imagine that what a mess it would look with the 2 lights and all the wires going over the back. So they should have put it on the back. Instead, I've extended the wire. I've opened it up. I've put 2 wires on and put them up into the control panel so I can see when they're working. And well, let's give it a go. It's that way. You're watching flash over the dirty track. There it goes. So it's just burning off the dirt when it flashes. And this is what I've serviced last night. She's lovely. She runs very well. Really quite well. It's not very fast. It's very low geared, but it's crashing through all the pico points. So I've got to check the back to back because I think the flanges are too narrow, and it just crashes into the check rails. And a few people have commented, why don't I build my cliffs with a hot gun? So here we are, the hot gun's plugged in. I didn't even think about it, so thanks for that, Colin. Was it Colin and Alan? Said, why are you not using the glue gun? It would be so quick. Well, I didn't even think about it, so let's see how my progress gets on with the hot glue gun. Back in a little while with some more progress. Here we go. There we go. I've just stuck my 2 neon bulbs into the back. A little squirt with the hot glue gun. Job done. So why wasn't I made aware of this before? This is too much. Look at that. I take more time cutting the cardboard than I do anything else. This is my wife's hot glue gun. My late wife's hot glue gun, and I never thought about it, but it is perfect. I've done a bit of welding in my time, steel welding, and wow, it's got a similarity actually. It's so quick. Well, it does take a little time to dry then. Go on, stick. Ah. Not without its problems. Wow, the glue gun certainly has worked. It's enabled me to do 2 days work in a couple of hours really. So thanks go out to Alan, it could be Colin and Clive, who all mentioned, why don't you use the glue gun, hot glue gun? Well, I've never thought about it, but thanks. I've done this, look how quick I've done this. It's still only about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm going to get straight on. But there is another person I want to put a shout out for. This guy is called Main Train. Please look him up if you're into your railway modelling. Please look at Main Train, and his name is Mark. And there's another person with him, Mattress. See you soon, mate. Bye. Now onwards with the cliff facing from photocopy paper. Not any old photocopy paper, they're on my old invoices, so yeah, they're kind of being recycled into Dover cliffs. So here we go, be back with some more. And these are all my cut-offs for making the cliff structure. So they've got to go in the recycle bin too. Back in a moment. Well, I've managed to get the whole lot covered. Thanks for the quickness of the hot glue gun. Excuse the camera work. With a trim, I think I've got it. I just trim up the top, making it look like a piece. If anybody knows Shakespeare Cliff, they may recognise it. So yeah, that's from here all the way along there today. It's now 9 o'clock in the evening. My hands have got like a second skin of PVA on them. I've seen my grandson today, which was lovely. So I'm going to reward myself with a nice beer, and I think I'll put this video up. Yeah, I'm going to put this video up. So catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take care.